Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dimma Tutorials, and Dimma Tutorials, as you already know, is an educational channel here on YouTube, on Facebook, and on TikTok. Today, I want us to look at some past questions, some post-UTME past questions of different universities. Okay, I encourage you to watch this video to the end because I'm going to be discussing more than one university. I'm going to be discussing different post-UTME past questions of different universities. Okay, so it's important for you to watch the video to the end because a prospective university might be among those that I'll be discussing today. So I'm going to start with Olabisi Onabanjo University. Olabisi Onabanjo University, okay? Thank you for the party. We really dash option A, we enjoyed ourselves. B, enjoyed. C, enjoyed very much. D, enjoyed too much. Okay, now the correct answer to this question is option A, okay, enjoyed ourselves. This is because the word enjoy is the transitive verb, okay? The word enjoy is a transitive verb, which means it requires an object, okay? When you use the word enjoy in a sentence, you must use an object on it because a transitive verb is a verb that requires an object, okay? It requires an object to act on. So when you use the word enjoy, which is a transitive verb, a word like read, a word like write, a word like understand, these are transitive verbs. So when you use them in a sentence, there has to be an object, okay? It has to act on. Okay, so it's wrong for you to say I enjoyed. You must say I enjoyed something. I enjoyed going to the party. I enjoyed the meal. We enjoyed ourselves, okay? We enjoyed ourselves. Now in this sentence, ourselves is the object. So it's wrong for you to say I enjoyed or we enjoyed. The sentence must have an object. So the correct answer to this question is option A. Thank you for the party. We really enjoyed ourselves. Not enjoyed very much. Very much is not an object. I believe you already know what an object is. The receiver of the action of a verb in a sentence. Okay. So option D, enjoyed too much, is also incorrect. Okay. Now the next question, still from the same university. Okay. The officer was compelled to dash the suspect's car. The officer was compelled to dash the suspect's car. We have option A, sees, B, sees, C, C's, and D. Another spelling of C's, okay? This question is actually meant to first test your knowledge of the difference between C's and C's, okay? C-E-A-S is pronounced C's, okay? Now, S-E-I-Z-E is pronounced C's. Now, the correct answer to this question is C's, okay? C's, which means to grab something, okay? To withhold something. So option A is the correct answer. Now option B, cease. Cease is incorrect. Okay, when you talk about cease means to stop something from happening or from going on. Cease means for something to stop happening. Okay, it means for something to stop happening. So option A is the correct answer. Now C is incorrectly spelled, okay, and D is also incorrectly spelled and not even the correct answer. So option A, like I said, is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's see more questions from another university. Let's go to Uniport, University of Port Harcourt. Now the first one says students' clothes have to be strong to stand dash refuse. Children's clothes have to be strong to stand dash refuse. We have option A, with, B, in through, C, in with, and D, up to. Okay, which one is the correct answer? When you say stand with, okay, it means to stand by the side of something, okay, or to support something. Okay, so it's incorrect in this sentence. Now we want to talk about standing through. Standing through is also incorrect in this sentence. It's incorrect in this sentence. Option C, in with. Okay, stand in with is not correct. Now the correct answer is stand up to. Okay, when we talk about standing up to something, it means to, you know, to brace up, okay, to brace up to challenges, to withstand something, okay, to endure something. So to stand up to refuse simply means to withstand refuse, to brace up to refuse, to endure refuse. So option D, like I said, is the correct answer. Now let's move on. On the next question, okay, from the same report, we have, if the armed robbers dash court, they would have been lynched. If the armed robbers dash court, they would have been lynched. We have option A, have been, B, are, C, was, and D had been. Okay. Now this question is on if sentences or conditional sentences and is on third conditional sentences. Okay, third conditional sentences are sentences that express past conditions that are hypothetical. Okay, past conditions that did not happen, something that would have happened in the past but did not happen. Okay, so third conditional sentences express past hypothetical situations. Just as in this question, if the armed robbers dash court, they would have been lynched. Okay, this sentence is talking about past hypothetical situation. Okay, something that could have happened in the past that did not happen. Okay, so this sentence is on third. So this sentence is on third conditional sentence. And to construct a sentence in third conditional sentence, in the if clause, you use had plus past participle. Okay, had plus past participle of the verb, had plus past participle of the verb, and in the consequence clause you're gonna have would have. Okay, would have in the consequence clause, and in the if clause is the clause that contains if. You're gonna have had plus the past participle, and in the consequence clause, the other part of the sentence, you're gonna have would have. That's how to construct a sentence in the third conditional. Okay, when a sentence expresses something that could have happened in the past but did not happen. Okay, now let's see another question from Unical. Okay, Unical concerning past questions. We have choose the option that best completes the sentence. We have Okpabio is proficient dash tailoring. Okpabio is dash proficient in tailoring. We have option A with, B in, C of, and D at. Okay, which one is the correct answer? And the word proficient co-locates with in and at. Okay, you can say someone is proficient in something or at something. So option A and option D are incorrect. We are left with option B and option D. Okay, now when you say someone is proficient in something and when someone is proficient at something, now you say that someone is proficient in something when what the person is an expert on is a subject or a field. Now, when someone is skilled in a particular task or in a particular activity, okay, you say someone is proficient at it. Okay, for example, say someone is proficient, you say someone is proficient at playing the keyboard. Okay, you can say someone is proficient at playing the guitar. You don't say someone is proficient at teaching English. Okay, you rather say someone is proficient in teaching English because teaching is a field. Okay, teaching is a field, so you don't say someone is proficient at tailoring. Okay, because tailoring is a field, not just a task, a field, not just an activity but a field. Okay, so the correct answer to this question is option B. Okay, option B in. Now the next question, say for me, I'll choose the word that is opposite in meaning to the word underlined. Okay, in this case capitalized. Okay, we have the plaintiff convinced the court that the murder was inadvertent. The plaintiff convinced the court that the murder was inadvertent. We have option A brutal, B wicked, C careless, and D premeditated. Okay, now what's the meaning of inadvertent? Okay, we have to choose the option that is opposite to meaning. Now what's the meaning of the word inadvertent? When something is inadvertent, it means it wasn't planned, it's not something that is planned. Okay, so when something happens inadvertently, it means that the thing happened without premeditation, it wasn't planned. Okay, it happened by mistake. Okay, so the correct answer to this question, the word that is opposite in meaning to the word inadvertent, is premeditated. Okay, premeditated. All right guys, that'll be all for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and you gained value from it. Please help me click on the like button, share the video to your friends, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Okay, thank you very much for learning with me. I will see you guys again very soon. Bye.